Right, I've got it set up in the mill. I've got it in a 4-sided collet holder. I've got that mounted in the vise on a 5-degree gauge block, and I've got my stop up the back of it. The idea being that when I've cut one flute, I can pop the block out, drop it back in again, and cut the next one, so they'll all be perfectly lined up. I did it freehand with the other one. I didn't set it up like this. I just clamped the bar in the vise on top of a gauge block. It worked, but this is easier and more accurate on the angles, on the rotation. So first thing I'm doing is just edge finding, and we'll find the edge of this 12mm bar. It's just straightened up, so I'll just creep up on it now, waiting for it to shoot off. It's a bit slow working the mill through the computer, but the results seem to be alright. There we go. It's jumped off, so I'll set that as the 0 on the Y. I'm just looking at the computer monitor and just setting all the zeros, and just for fun we'll back it up and we'll do it again just to make sure we've got it right. Right, creep up on it. Getting close. When I'm creeping, I'm only moving can't remember, a very, very small amount. We're within 1/10 of a millimetre now. There you go. And it reads on the DRO 0.0075. So we'll set that. I'll just zero it there again. And there ended the edge finding. Now we'll put the cutter in and do our offset calculation. Oh God, I didn't want to do that, did I? Oh dear. Right. I got it back on 0. Back up again. I can't see from here, that's the problem. There we go. Edge finder out. Just pop the spindle lock in. Edge finder out. I've got this set up for hang on. Right, as I was saying, I've got this set up for quick change tools. So it's pretty straightforward to change the tool. All I do is just slacken the drawbar, get my little brass hammer and give it, just pull it out a bit. A little brass hammer, give it a tap, out drops the chuck, and in goes the cutter. And these are all set up and measured for when I'm using the CNC, when it's using G-code to run it. The machine knows what length these tools are. That's all we need to do for that. So we've got the cutter back in. Right, I've got to do the calculation. I don't want to get this wrong, so I'm going to switch off for a second. Right, calculation done. From where we are at the minute, we need to move towards the work 3 millimeters. Two, 3. Right. We'll call that 0. I'm just going to put the cutter just over where the straight turns to taper and touch off. And then we'll have a look where we are. So we'll bring it down to touch off. It's touched, so I'll set a 0 on that as well, and then we'll know how deep we're going. With the other one I went 2 millimeters deep to the flutes. It seemed to be adequate. So now we'll just do a pass to see what it looks like. Oh God, I'm at the end of my throw. Would you believe it? Would you believe it? What we'll have to do with that. There's something miles out at the minute. Oh no, I haven't got that thing. Go back the other way. Oh dear. What can I do about that? Stop. That's one thing. I can't move the block further back in the vise because of the collar. The only thing I can do is try and move the work a little bit towards the collet. That should just give me enough room to clear, but I've got to make sure I don't move it. start rotating when we're doing it. Not too far. How far can I go? Just travel enough now. Right, there goes nothing. Well, that doesn't look too bad. I'll just carry on and do the other three flutes, and we'll come back when we're going a bit further. Okie dokie. Right, didn't take long, and there's our new reamer. Now, the next thing to do is test it. So we'll put it back in the lathe and see what is appertaining.